Let's start as usual with grocery shopping. For today's easy and ketogenic recipe, we will need olive oil, salt, eggplants, zucchini, fresh parsley, and onion. Palm Springs is famous for the great weather, the beautiful desert, and the amazing villas. And I have to admit that the one we rented is stunning and very comfortable, as you can notice just watching my son video bombing this recipe. Here you can see the kitchen and our fresh ingredients. Hi everybody! I cannot stay here 1 minute more without trying that amazing barbecue. So I will show you how to prepare ketogenic veggies. Let's slice both the eggplants and the zucchini. It is very interesting to know that if you cut the eggplants like I'm doing, they won't be bitter because you won't break their fibers. But if you choose to make perfect round slicing, cutting them from the head to the bottom, you will lose their pleasant flavor. So be very careful. Also for the garlic, there is another interesting tip. In fact, if you peel it and dice it, you should also eliminate the very internal part that in Italy we call the soul of the clove, because this is too strong and really difficult to digest, making your breath dangerous not only for vampires. This is the garlic soul I was talking you about. But now let's focus on this high-fat and highly delicious sauce that we will add to our veggies. After chopping the garlic, we must cut our fresh parsley as thin as possible. As you can see, I don't have a wooden cutting board and I don't like the plastic one, so I will do my best, but I'm sure you will do so much better than me. This is something I would like to talk you about. When you rent a place, you will never find everything you need for cooking. You won't have your usual tools, but I'm sure you will find new exciting things, like I did with the barbecues. The one I used last week in Santa Monica and the one I will use today. Being adaptable and having fun are the secrets to stay keto while traveling. If you're not in your kitchen, it is also more difficult to organize everything in order to record a perfect video recipe. So you will see me running back to the kitchen because I forgot the bowl I need to prepare the sauce. Be kind, I'm doing my best, and subscribe to my channel to encourage and support me. Thank you! Now that we have everything, let's do this sauce by mixing the garlic, the parsley, a lot of extra virgin olive oil and some salt. Barbecue time is finally arrived. It was already preheated and very hot, so we can grill our sliced zucchini and eggplants. Our veggies don't have salt yet, so they won't release too much water and they won't lose their precious nutrients. Thanks to my very tall son for showing us around, because the sunset in the desert is incredibly beautiful and the weather, especially for people like us that are used to a very cold winter, is really amazing. Now let's turn all the zucchini and the eggplants to the other side. I don't need to tell you that the slices should have the same thickness, but as we all know, this is impossible, so just turn first the thinner ones and cook the thicker ones a little longer. Let's prepare our plates. I decided to separate the eggplants from the zucchini because I didn't have a very big platter, but also because in this way everybody can choose what to eat. They can have both veggies, but also they can just dig into their favorite one. This dish must be prepared exactly like a lasagna because you must make some layers alternating the veggies with the oily condiment. In this way you will add also the salt because it was part of your tasty sauce. The last tip, but probably the most important one, is to leave this yummy side dish marinating overnight into the fridge, so all the flavor will blend magically together. But don't forget to cover them with saran paper because the smell is delicious, but it's really strong. I hope you liked today's recipe. I hope you like traveling with me in this beautiful country, and I really hope you will subscribe to my channel. See you here with a ketogenic video in English every Monday, with the same video in Spanish on Wednesday and in Italian on Friday. See you soon and happy holidays!